Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, talk about a new airdrop. It's in the super early state. They have given you the opportunity to mine Bitcoin in your mobile phone. It's a very good project. They have a limited amount of supply. See, they have also halving season also. It's from Bitcell.app. It is true that they don't have a huge funding, but they are in the early stage and very few users. You can see that only 11,000 people are working in their project. But the project has a huge potential. You can see they have already reached 700k daily active wallets and 100k Bitcell addresses in just 48 hours. You will get all the necessary link in the description box. Click on the link, join my Telegram for new upcoming update and go to their project. Just here you will get an option of login with X account, means Twitter account. They will launch their mobile phone app very soon. Now you just need to do this on your desktop, or you can also use browser to mine their coin. Just click on login with X, authorize app. Here you will by default you will get 1.00 BTCL per hour speed. Just click on mine to mine their coin. Every 12 hours you need to come here and click on mine to mine their coin. You will get 1 BTCL per hour hash rate. Then here you will get the option of wallet. Click on here. Here you can see that you can send your BTCL to different addresses. They don't have any seed phase type of option because it's in the very early stage. Simply you can say that they are just beginning the journey, but they have a good project. They are not like PyCoin 6-year mining. They have a limited amount of supply of 21 million. You can also swap here. If you click on swap, if I select a small amount, just like 1 BTCL, they are taking 1 BTCL is equal to 0.00001 Bitcoin. It means you can, if you convert it here, it will approximately $1. They are fixing the price like 1 BTCL is equal to $1 type. You can also swap them. When you have the coin, you just swap them, and then you have to send the Bitcoin to your wallet, to your exchange when it is listed in exchange. This project has a good potential. Very few people are talking about this project. Small influencer. When this project gonna viral, a lot of people will come and your hash rate will be decreased. Here you also get your referral link. You just share it. Every new referral you will get 1 BTCL per hour speed increase. Just copy your code, send it to your friend, family, everyone. I simply say that download 3 to 4 browser or 10 browser and multiply it in your phone and use that browser. In every browser use the link and start mining. They have very limited supply, so don't miss. Here is their white paper. Here you can see that their system consists of mining feature, swap decks, wallet, referral system explorer, etc. Every time you can mine after every 12-hour mining session. Not only this, you can see that in 2025 they will give a 1 BTCL per hour speed. In 2026 they will give 0.5. Every year they will do some kind of like halving season like Bitcoin. They have a limited supply, like exactly like Bitcoin. They have a limited supply of 21 million BTCL. No pre-mined token. All token are earned through mining session via mobile phone. Means all the token will be earned by mining session, not by just like investing or just any other project. You will earn only by mining. Mining reward follow the annual halving schedule. Every year it will halving season will come. They have also fixed a rate. BTCL is equal to 0.00001 BTC, and you can also transform it into Bitcoin Cash also. Since they have a 21 million supply, here we can suppose take, if the coin bare minimum, a good project can easily touch $10 million market cap, which is a very small amount. Okay, if it touch 10 million market cap, every token will cost $0.47, and if you multiply it with like 24 token a day, and in 30 days you will earn $342. It's a huge, bro. If there is any possibility, it can touch $21 million market cap, which is not very hard. If it goes to an exchange like Binance or MAXC or Bybit, it can easily touch $21 million market cap. Suppose it touch $21 million market cap, then every token will cost $1. 1 multiply 30 multiply 24 every day. So you can easily earn $720. It's a huge, big projects. They are not giving this amount of money, but you can earn this because it's in the very early stage, super early stage. No influencer to anyone is talking about this mining project, and eventually you'll know that every type of mining project goes viral at the end of the day, and it's in the super early stage. And there is an issue in every mining project. That is when a lot of user comes, the price drops, and as a result the company scam or fluctuation in the market, and at the end of the day you get a small amount of reward, but the initial users, the early users earn a huge amount of money. Mention different type of project who have already give hundreds of dollars to the early user, not in the late user. If you are a late user, don't watch this video, just skip it. But if you are in the early stage, just join the project. Project is really good. You can earn hundreds of dollars from the project. So this is for today. If any update regarding this project comes, I will notify in the Telegram. Just join my Telegram for the upcoming updates and also new airdrops. We make videos regularly, so join my Telegram channel. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.